Hey, my name is Chris, and welcome to my page. And today I want to talk about should you save up to do what you want to do, or should you take a loan? It's a debate that has been going on for many years. Some people think it's better to save up money to do what you need to do. That way you don't have any liability. Some people believe you should go out and create debt to accumulate wealth. Now, I will tell you what I believe, and it's 100% you borrow to accumulate wealth. It is the fastest way to get to where you want to go. So, I'm going to talk about the four reasons why I believe the best way to start any type of business venture is to borrow. Number one is it allows you to move quickly. A lot of times when there's an opportunity, sometimes there's a short window to be able to take advantage of that opportunity. If you're waiting around to where you can accumulate enough money to actually do something, the trend may have already passed. The opportunity may not exist anymore. So when you borrow money or you get a credit card or you go to a bank, you get access to that capital immediately. You could go out then and take advantage of the wave that you see. You can ride that wave on up versus being on the end of that wave after the trend has passed. So, my number one reason as to why I would take debt over saving my own money is the ability to act quickly. The number two reason is tax deductibility. When you borrow money, for the most part, your business interest is tax deductible. Now, once again, I am not a CPA and I'm not advocating any type of tax policy, but it is a general rule in the IRS business interest is tax deductible. So when you borrow money for a business, that interest that you're paying back is tax deductible. So that allows you to, one, be able to take advantage of trends and jump on things very quickly, and you're getting that interest that you're paying is tax deductible. So in essence, you're almost getting the money for free. So that is the second reason why I would basically borrow is because the interest on those loans are tax deductible. The next reason is you build credit history. Now, I will tell you, people will say, hey, cash is king. Yes, cash allows you to move quickly, but go try to buy a house with $100,000 in cash and see what happens, right? They're going to ask you a lot of questions. You're going to have to be able to say, where'd you get that $100,000 for? You didn't know that, did you? You think if you just have cash under a mat that you could just go out and buy $100,000 house? No, you have to get a mortgage or you have to be able to tell them how you got that $100,000. And most people that have $100,000 under their mattress can't say exactly how they got $100,000. So when you borrow money, you can actually build credit history. And what that does is it allows you to create a foundation, a reputation with that bank to when you need cash or capital in the future, you could come back to them, right? So you can grow from them. Maybe for this first thing that you did, you only got $15,000, but then now you've established a relationship with them that they see that you pay back your loans, you pay back timely. So now they're willing to lend you 50,000, then the next time 100,000, so on and so forth. You want to create those relationships with the bank because there's no such thing as creating a relationship with cash. So that is the third reason why I would take debt over trying to save my money. The fourth reason is that it preserves your cash flow. That's right, cash flow. Every business owner knows how important it is to have cash flow and also cash on hand. If you are depleting your coffers because you want to go and do something else with your business, you could put your business at risk. You could have a thriving business, but a lot of businesses have tight cash flow windows, right? And that could be because of different processes that you have. Maybe you don't get your money timely, and that's just the nature of your business, right? The money is coming, but you may not get it timely. There's a lot of people that have government contracts where the government doesn't pay but every 60 days, right? It's a great contract, but the government pays in 60 days. So I'm going to get paid and I'm going to get paid well, but I may not get it timely. So if I exhaust my funds to go and do something within my business, I could put my business at risk. And you don't want to be in a situation where you have a great contract or you have a great business going and now your business is at risk because you exhausted your funds. So again, I know it's a great debate and I love having a debate. So tell me what you think. Please drop in the comments. Is it better to have debt to drive your business, or is it better to save up to start a business? I know there's great debates and great arguments for both sides. I'd love to hear your comments. And like always, like, subscribe, and leave your comments. And if you guys like content like this, just put it in the comments and I'll continue to make comments. But in the meantime, just keep running those plays.